Hey beautiful people, I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is BelleMichelle. I do fashion videos as well as vlogging my travels here and there. If you're not already subscribed, then I hope by the end of this video I convince you to subscribe, or I think you should just subscribe now, because I'm pretty sure that you've probably watched one of my previous videos and you should just get ahead of the game and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, hi, how are you doing? How's your mom, your auntie, your cousin, your baby daddy, your baby mama? How are they all doing? Let me know in the comment section below how are they all doing and how are you doing. If you guys are hearing any background noise, it's because I have my big window open right now. It's hot, it's very hot, it's 34 degrees hot in England, which means that it's humid hot. Did I forget to say that it's hot? And we don't have any AC in this England because usually it's not hot, but I'm actually thinking that we might, in a few years, we might actually need to start having AC in England. If you guys are interested in my hair, I have done a tutorial on how I got this color and how I made this wig, which I don't know whether it's going to be up before this video or after, but either way I will put it in the iCard at the top. So it would not be summer if Michelle did not do a summer Zara haul, a summer sale Zara haul as well. So I went into Zara because they've started, this is actually their spring sale, so they're now transitioning into their summer pieces, and this time I was very responsible. As you guys know, saving for a wedding, house, all that adulting stuff, stay in school kids, stay in university. Adulting isn't fun at all. It's just a lot of bills. I feel like I did good. Like, I was very reasonable. I didn't spend a lot of money. I only have 2 bags. Usually I'll come with about 3 or 4. I only have 2. So everything in this haul was bought in store. So if I do find links for them online, I'll put them in the description bar. But bear in mind that because it is sale, especially Zara sale, things do sell out quite quickly. So yeah, just bear that in mind. If you don't see a link for anything down below, then it's probably out of stock. The one bag I got was this one. This just screams like south of France, very European, and it also comes with a long buckle. Really love the colors in it. It is so cute. It's made out of this sort of, it's like a straw material, and you can just hold it on the side here. And yeah, I just think it's really cute and something that I can wear in summer. And it literally has 2 of my favorite colors in there. It's got the orange and the red, which I love. It's not that big, but it's not that small either. It's big enough that it will hold like quite a bit of stuff. It's as big as like this section of my arm. I'm so into Espadrille, specifically because I can't really wear heels at the moment, so I have a knee injury. But yeah, I got these Espadrilles right here, and they are so cute. They were originally $29.99 and I got them for $19.99, and they're just made out of this sort of, is it hay or straw type thing, but they're really sturdy, and they kind of remind me of Toms, but obviously without the Toms price. And Zara shoes are generally really good quality, and yeah, this is what they look like. I think they're gonna go with a lot of things. I'm gonna put this hair back because I am getting so hot. Oh, give me that Beyonce win. Okay, that's enough. Back to the haul. I got this tweed dress, which is so cute, but it doesn't fit me. I got it in a medium, and yeah, I definitely need a large, but I don't know if a large is still going to be in the store. I'm gonna go and check, but yeah, I checked online and they don't have a large online, so I'm gonna try and pop back in store to see if they have any larges. But yeah, I got this tweed dress, and it's just so cute. This is more for like work. It really has that sort of clueless vibe, which I really like. I'd wear it with like a really nice white or navy shirt underneath that maybe has some ruffles in the button area. But yeah, unfortunately it doesn't fit me, so I can't show you guys, but it is so cute. It has pockets with buttons, so these are like functional pockets. I'm really bummed that it doesn't fit me, but do you know what? Is what it is. Hopefully I can find a size large. The next tweed item I got was this waistcoat, and honestly I just love it. Like, I absolutely love it. I saw this when it was full price and I thought, I really want to get it. But do you know what I realized? Yeah, when you don't have money, you wait until the sale, because there's so many things that I saw in this Zara sale that I bought at full price. If this was Michelle in university, when I was at uni, I didn't buy anything full price Zara. The only time I shopped in Zara was during the sale, or even if I saw something that I liked in Zara, I'd wait until the sale, unless it's something really popular that maybe like a lot of people are wearing, like a lot of bloggers. Half the time it will go down the sale, and you just have to make sure that you're on the website on the day the sale launches, or in store on the day the sale launches. I actually saw this when it was full price, and I bought it when it was full price, and then it was between this and I had another orange tweed sort of jacket. I've shown it to you guys before, and I'll put like a little video here. So it was between this and this, because I just thought I have no need for both, so I took this back. But now that it was on sale, I thought, do you know what, it would be wrong it would be wrong of me not to buy it. And that orange one I bought as well for about 90 quid is actually down to £60. So, guys, just wait until the sale. If it's not a popular item in Zara, just wait until the sale, because your heart will be burning when you see something that you bought for 90 quid and it's now 50 or 60 pounds and you're like, especially since I haven't even worn that jacket out yet, so really and truly I didn't really need to buy it at that point, but I just really like the color. But yeah, so I have this now as well, which I'm really happy about. So this was originally $69.99 and I got it for $39.99, and it is such good quality. I can wear this for work or wear it on like a casual everyday. Next up, I got a blazer and culotte set, and this is also something else that I saw when it was full price, and ahhing about it, and now that I've seen it in the sale, I thought, yep, I'm gonna get it. So it's this really lovely sort of bright bubblegum, no, not bubblegum pink, like basically bright pink color, and it's a blazer, and it also comes with the culottes. And I wouldn't really call this like a power suit because it's not very structured, it's very loose, and this is something that you could get away with at work because it is very formal, but the color will make you stand out. And this is something that I am actually gonna wear to work because it's so airy as well, especially for summer. And you guys know me, culottes are like my go-to for summer. Culottes and midi skirts, that is me. Love the color, so comfortable, and I like the way the culottes as well as the blazer fits as well. I got this wrap top that has this very loud tropical print in it, but this is so perfect for summer, and this is so me for summer. Pair this with like a pair of high-waisted jeans and you're good to go. I love the wrap style and really compliments me. The only thing with this one actually is that the wrap is a bit weird. Like sometimes if you don't wrap it properly, the back of the top can look like it's a bit big and just like hanging loose, so you really have to wrap it in like a certain way. But nevertheless, like I really love the color. I think the color really complements my skin. And this is something that you can wear on like a really sunny day in London, like a day to day. I would actually wear this. So I went a bit denim crazy because one of my close friends literally raves about Zara denim. Like she swears by it, says it's the best thing ever. So I got 3 pieces of denim. I literally just picked these 3 up because I like them, they were my size, and I said I'm gonna try them on at home. And out of all the 3, only 2 fit. So this one, which was actually my favorite, doesn't fit me. So it's these mum jeans, and they're in this sort of grey washed out black color. Yeah, they don't fit me, even though I actually got them in a size 14. Literally they would not go past my hips, which is so sad. Yeah, big booty problems I guess. So these 2 do fit me, however this one I think I'm gonna return as well. Thighs and like the calf area all fit, but this section here, so the waist is too big. Like literally there was such a big gap when I put it on. And even when I put a belt, if the waist is too big and you put a belt, then you have like this thing here at the front, and it just doesn't look flattering. Even though once again, like I really like these jeans. I'm really into like distressed jeans, so kind of sad that they don't fit me. So I got this in a UK size 12. So this is a UK size 12 and this fits. And these are not mum jeans, these are classic mum fit high rise ankle length. So these mum jeans fit me in a size 12, which is my regular size. However, the washed out grey ones didn't, and I went up in a size 14. So yeah, I don't know. And then the last pair of jeans I got were the mid-rise skinnies. These actually fit me perfectly and I really like them. The only thing is I like high-rise, I like high-waisted, but I really loved how this fit on like my thighs and how it fit on my bum as well. And they have like a lot of stretch in them. This also has a distress on the knee, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a bit more distressed, because I feel like this just looks like they got a pair of scissors and just cut through it. Like, not impressed with that at all. Out of the 3, this is the only one that I am actually gonna keep and actually fits me properly. And I got this in a size 12 as well, and these are the mid-rise skinnies. Next up I got this jumpsuit, which in all honesty I'm a tad bit disappointed in. Like, I thought it would look better on me, but one thing is I love the color. Oh my god, this cobalt blue color is so gorgeous, especially on my skin as well. It looks so gorgeous. I just felt like it didn't sit well on my shape, and yeah, it just did nothing for me, but it is really nice. I think it would probably look nicer on someone that's a bit more slender. I got this in a size medium, but I think even if I went up in the large, it's not the sizing that's the problem, it's the fit. But nevertheless, like, it's really comfortable, looks really nice, color's really beautiful, and something you can just put on in summer and it'll look like you tried but you didn't. That's the best thing about jumpsuits and like play suits, is literally one outfit in one and it looks like you tried when really you didn't. Zara had a lot of tees that were like $7.99 or $5.99, so I picked up 2. The first one is this one. So sorry, these have been in the bag waiting for me to do this haul, so please disregard all the wrinkles on them. But this one says sun, nutrition facts, says do not forget your sunscreen, and then on the back it has the perfect summer, long days, coconut oil, beach time, pool party, sunbathing, just everything that you'd want in summer. And I just really like the color yellow, one of my favorite colors, especially on dark skin, love it. And then the second one I got was just this I would call this a nude camel color, but I don't know, what color would you call this? It looks camel, but it's a bit more on like the peachy camel side, literally just like a classic tee, can't really say much about it. Next up I got this lime, it might wash me off, lime yellow satin dress, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love this. I saw this on a few girls on Instagram and I was umming and ahhing and thinking, is that gonna look nice on me, the fit, but I love it. Like, this is so me. Satin, that very romantic and like just lovely material. The color, this lime yellow on dark skin. Satin is really in for this season. It's not a really breathable fabric, especially in summer, but my god does it look good. Like, it looks so good. And then you have like, it's not a thigh split, but you guys know I love a thigh split, so I can make it into a thigh slit because it's a wrap dress. A bit of leg and thigh action, never hurt nobody, especially in summer. And then the last dress I got, I don't really know how to show this because yeah, holding this up does it absolutely no justice. It's just this sort of slinky dress. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, I expected it to look nicer on me, but it kind of clings on to the areas that you don't really want it to cling on to. So I'm a bit like, yeah or no. It is cute. Like, I can't disregard the fact that it is cute. The color is cute on me, but yeah, it just really hugs. Sometimes it hugs the right, on a good day it hugs the right places, but on a bad day, if you've eaten too much, yeah, this is just gonna hug the absolute wrong places. So those are all the items that I got in this haul. I told you guys there's not a lot of items. I'm so proud of myself. Like, you guys proud of me? Didn't spend a lot at all. I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent this time around, but it wasn't a lot compared to before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what items you liked, what items you didn't like, what you think I should keep or what you think I should return. Like I said before, I got all of this in store, but I will try to see if I can find links online, and if I do, I'll put them in the description bar below. I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video. And if you enjoyed this haul, then I think you might enjoy this haul or this lookbook right here. Click on one of those and let me continue to entertain it. If you're not subscribed, you might as well subscribe right now. Like, you've got to the end of this video, you like me, okay? Just admit that you like me and you enjoy my content and subscribe and become part of the family.